Replace your existing patio door and reimagine how you live and entertain with Infinity from Marvin's Bi-fold Door. With panels that smoothly stack open, the Infinity Bi-fold creates new possibilities and provides expanded views. Built with ULTREX fiberglass for virtually no maintenance performance, you can enjoy seamless transitions between living spaces, both indoors and out. Effortlessly unlock and open the door using Infinity's sleek, contemporary hardware. Magnets protect the panels when stacked to keep the door looking its best. Spanning sizes up to 8 feet tall and 22 feet wide, the Infinity Bi-fold Door is available in 28 different configurations, varying from 1 to 7 panels. Enjoy fresh air while keeping bugs out by opening the door and keeping the screen closed. The pleated fabric screen folds tightly to the side when opened for unobstructed views. A concealed locking system is built within the door, providing additional peace of mind. Combining timeless design with unmatched performance, unfold new possibilities for your home with the Infinity Bi-fold Patio Door.